I have this large vase, which I thrifted. And then I have another cylinder vase, which comes from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna put the cylinder vase inside the larger vase. And then I'm gonna come in with some candy. I picked up these strawberry candies, filling the space between the two vases. I also picked up a little Dollar Tree ribbon,
and I'm going to use that to create a little shoestring bow at the bottom of our vase. Now tell me, have you ever seen anything so darling? Ah, precious.
And here we have our candy candle centerpiece. We have this well-used piece of foam board from the Dollar Tree. So I have here just a charger, but I'm going to use this for the size. Then I'm going to cut it out. Smaller circle. And cut that out as well. And if you haven't figured it out yet, I am making chargers. So let me go ahead and cut it. Okay, so now that this is ready, my base, I have these decorative rose petals that I got from Dollar Tree. And we're going to use these to cover our chargers. And I'm going to continue all the way around, and I believe it might need 2 to 3 rows. Hope you're making that out. So there is a second row. And a third. So I'm just going to continue going all the way around with our rose petals, but this is how it's going to look when it's completed. So let me finish working on that, and I'll meet you back in just a few moments. Here is the first one completed, but I think I'm going to come in with a little decorative trim right there. And I'll bring you back in just a minute to show you the completed look. So I ran back to Dollar Tree and got this decorative scatter because I wasn't too happy with the way that one little row in there. And I guess I could come back with one more row of rose petals. I don't know. Let's see how it goes.
I tried out the decorative heart scatter, but wasn't happy with the look. So in the end, I came in with another row of petals turned on their side, and baby, that was it. Let me know what you think in those comments. Today, I'm co-hosting the Love is in the Air open collaboration with hosts the Grace Life DIY, Home Decor, and Connie's Creative Creations. Links to their channels as well as all the co-hosts will be in my description box
Wine
below.
glasses from Dollar Tree, 2 pieces for $1.25. And I'm going to continue to use the rose petals. I'm going to start attaching them on the edge, just like I did the chargers, to give me a matching set. So here I have just a Dollar Tree runner, and I already had this on hand. And I also purchased from Walmart.com this feathered trim, and I just don't think that I'm going to have enough. So what I may do is just the edge here. May just do the edge. All right, I think that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of hot glue here along the edge. And that's lovely.
I hope you enjoyed all of the DIY projects I presented for you today, and that they give you inspiration to create some beautiful decor for your Valentine's Day table. Special thanks to all of the hosts of this collab: The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Connie's Creative Creations, CJ DIY, Buckeyed Girls, Decor and Lifestyle, At Home with Lisa, Annalie Ryan, DIY with Aria, Jackie Russell Creates, and of course myself, Amethyst Adventures. Please make sure you stop by all of our hosts and visit our playlist for some awesome Valentine's Day DIY inspiration. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.